18. Okay, today's video is on hip internal rotation and how to improve it. So with the hip, the internal rotation of the hip is this movement here. So you can see I don't have heaps in this position, but it's where the thigh rolls in like that. And there are many reasons to improve this. Often releasing the internal rotation will help free up the back or the posterior side of the hip capsule. And when we release that hip capsule, we get really good effects to the rest of the hip, and it often helps improve a lot of the general range of motion. And this is what I've found over many years with many clients. So the way we do this is in the 90-90 position. So for 90-90, what we do, we get the front knee at 90 degrees, the front shin and back thigh parallel, and we get the back knee at 90 degrees. Now from here, if you're tight, you may find you have to put a lot of weight on this arm, and we want to grab this shin, okay? When we do this, this is going to stretch the underside of this hip, and you might feel a bit of cramping in this hip, and that's okay, that's pretty normal if you're tight. If we can get this hand from here to here, that's a really good start, but you don't need to, okay? The main thing is that we're twisting and side bending slightly into this position. If you can get to here, even better. So here I'm twisting further, I'm side bending a little more, and this is where I would start my stretch. So you might either start here, just reaching a little bit, here, or here. I'm not sure, it's going to be up to you, but the best thing is to just have a play, but you're thinking about really side bending and twisting, and that will improve or stretch the hip into internal rotation. Once we're there, we focus on trying to relax. When we do that, we want to breathe into the belly. So as we inhale, the belly will push out. As we exhale, the belly will draw, and that will help us relax into the stretch. As we relax, we really want to think about this thigh bone sinking down towards the floor. Once we've been in the stretch for 90 seconds to 2 minutes, I like to hold for 2 minutes, and I get all my clients to hold for 2 minutes. Then we're going to make this hip stronger in this position by doing what we call pails and rails. So to do the pails contraction, or to make the tissue that we are stretching stronger, what we do is I think about driving my knee down into the floor. That activates all the stuff on the underside of this thigh, and when I do it, I don't want to move my hands, I want to stay in the stretch. Then I push my hands down. This increases the tension in my upper body, so it gets everything kicking in. Then I push that knee harder, and that really throws the focus back into the hip. We hold that for 10 seconds. Once we've done that 10-second contraction, then we lift our hands, we make two fists, and we reach and side bend further into the stretch for another 15 seconds. Once we've done that, we regrip at a new range, and then we hold that. And I like to hold for at least 30 seconds up to around a minute. I really like to try and hold for a minute in that new range, so I allow my hip joint and my body and my nervous system to relax and get used to that new range of motion. Once we've done that, we slowly come out of the stretch. And so that is how to begin to improve hip internal rotation using the 90-90 stretch. I hope you enjoy. Go and try it. Good luck.